Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to wrap a Mitsubishi Lancer. First, ensure your vehicle is completely clean and free of any dirt or wax. This crucial preparation step guarantees optimal adhesion for your vinyl wrap. Next, gather all your essential tools, such as a heat gun, a sharp utility knife, and a squeegee. Having everything ready will make the application process much smoother and more efficient, saving you time and effort. Selecting the right materials is paramount for a professional finish. Opt for a premium automotive-grade vinyl wrap, which offers durability and flexibility. You will also need a reliable heat gun to manipulate the vinyl, allowing it to stretch and conform perfectly to the Lancer's contours. A sharp utility knife, or a specialized vinyl cutter, is indispensable for achieving clean, precise cuts around edges and details, ensuring a seamless appearance. When applying the vinyl, begin from the center of each panel and work your way outwards, using a squeegee to push out any air bubbles. This technique helps achieve a smooth, wrinkle-free surface. For larger sections, consider having a second person assist you. Remember to overlap adjacent panels by at least 1/4 inch to prevent gaps and ensure a consistent, professional look that will last for many years. After the main application, meticulously trim any excess vinyl around the edges, door handles, and mirrors for a truly custom finish. Then, it is crucial to post-heat all wrapped surfaces using your heat gun. This step activates the vinyl's adhesive, ensuring a permanent bond and preventing edges from lifting. Finally, maintain your wrapped Lancer by washing it with mild soap and water, avoiding harsh chemicals, to keep it looking pristine for 5 to 7 years.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.